Hello everyone, I'm Candice Pinto and today I'm going to be cooking some Aloo Gobi. So let's get started. So here I have some aloo and gobi which I've chopped and I've actually boiled it. It's cooked around 60%, so it's easier to cook. And then I have this paste that I've made. It's with coriander, it has fresh ginger and garlic along with green chilies. So I've made a paste and I've kept it here along with one medium-sized onion. And then I have tomato puree, that's one big tomato that I've actually used. And then the dry spices I have is coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, jeera powder. I use a bit of hing. There is salt in this, there is garam masala, so everything is added here. And then I have a little bit of kasuri methi, which is optional. And then I've saved a little bit of the boiled cauliflower and the potato water. And let's get started. So let's get started. I'm going to add the jeera right now. And it's low to medium flame. So I hope you love this recipe. Do try it at home. It's simple, it's easy. You can have it with roti, you can have it with steamed rice, with anything, or just have it plain. It's tasty. So guys, if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel, Candice Pinto, and I shall be back for more videos. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.